Hi, I'm Maggie.
I'm Melissa.
And we're going to do the fork in the garbage disposal.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Okay.
Let me get it.
I'm going to get it.
So listen up.
All you people.
Yeah, because you're going to love this.
Let's do the fork in the garbage disposal. Let's do the fork in the garbage disposal. Ding 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 ding. Stop! I lost my contact. Found it.
Got it.
Well, I hope you guys liked that little tutorial on how to press. Uh-oh. Look at Kiki.
Hope you liked it. That was the fork in the garbage disposal from the Yes Stick.
The yes.
Yes.
Peace.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
Oh.